Sikde Bahasa Mahardika. You can call me Bahasa. Major Morning Management 1B. Subject English. Number absent 28. Name 2002612010064. I will explain about the company. Welcome to the Bali Tower, established on July 6, 2006. PT Bali Tower Indo. Central Bali Tower is a leading telecommunication tower infrastructure provider company in Bali, provides and a pioneer in providing tower facilities equipped with integrated transmission facilities through fiber optic or wireless network, which can always support technological advance in the file telecommunication. On March 13, 2014, Bali Tower officially listed its share on the Indonesian Stock Exchange and began trading with the code Insure Bali. In carrying out its business activities, Bali Tower has two business segments, namely 1. Leasing infrastructure for telecommunication tower, macro and micro. 2. Leasing network infrastructure for fiber optic and or transmission. Bali Tower continuously improves business performed in its business activities in line with technological development in Indonesia. This is reflected in good cooperation with several leading operations in Indonesia and Bali Tower business support companies. Bali Tower has also expanded its business activities following the issuance of the Decree of the Minister of Communication and Information Technology on the approval of Internet Protocol Television Service in December 2017, in which the expansion of this business activity is a collaboration in the form of combo product service between TV cable service provided by PT Mitra Media Interactive as a subsidiary with internet service provider by Bali Tower, which is called Bali Fiber.